He's hitting some speed.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Bill, and today's video, back out here at, where the hell are we?
We're Interlake.
Back out here at Interlake State Recreation with Ryan. We've got some guests out here. We're going to go take driving through the trails. Maybe not get stuck this time, maybe get stuck, who knows, we'll see.
It rained a lot yesterday.
Yeah, it rained all day yesterday. This morning everything was frozen, so it's cold out here. We'll see what the trails look like. It'll probably be a mixture of ice and slush and mud. It's pretty crowded out here. It's day after Thanksgiving, and so instead of going shopping, we're out here playing in the dirt. Ryan did the same thing last time, and it's like he stopped and like, oh, you okay? I thought something had happened already.
Yeah, my truck's super sensitive.
Deeper than it was last time we came through here. But it's not completely muddy. Or complete snot like it was in the one spot where I don't think it's ever been dry.
One hole.
Yeah.
He's hitting some speed. Oh, he might be stuck.
Oh, turn your wheel straight.
Ooh, that was so good.
So, another day. We decided to try to hit some of these little puddles here. And well, it didn't work out too well for me. I don't know what happened to the Bronco. We got stuck and I lost four-wheel drive. The front end, something's wrong with the front end for sure. I put it in four-wheel drive, the front just doesn't spin and it just clicks and clacks and clicks. Luckily, we had the winch, able to winch out. I put it in two-wheel drive. It works fine. And as soon as I put it in four-wheel drive though, it is not happy. So hopefully two-wheel drive will be able to get it out of here, get it home with no problems, and we'll see what they say and take it into the dealership. See what they say happened to the front end.
Bill, how do you feel?
Well, I'm glad that it's driving. As long as we can get it home or to the dealership, I'll be happy.
Hey, new top and
Yeah, I'm like,
You're be thankful that they didn't have to leave it there.
yes, I'm very thankful I didn't have to leave it there. I had another fun day out here. Got dirty again. Might have broke the Bronco a little bit. So the steering wheel is straight right now. You see this front right tire, it's kicked out at the bottom and kind of kicked back. So that's what we messed up. Well, I say we, that's what I messed up. That's where I screwed up. I guess I can't blame that one on anybody. I was the only one in the car at the time. All right, back at the car wash. That is meant for washing your car off when it gets muddy. That's what it's here for, right outside the off-road part. But yes, we're now starting to dry up and look a little muddy. So far, driving on flat ground, everything seems fine at two-wheel drive. I was expecting to have some shake in the wheel or feel some vibrations or something, but nothing. It just running great. So hopefully it'll be all right on the highway and we can get it home. But for right now, just going to get it rinsed off. The ears looks a little, still looks a little cleaner. But cleaner. It did get dirtier than last time. Alright, so good news, we made it home. Bad news is four-wheel drive is completely shot on this. So well, I had an appointment in a couple of days to go get an alignment and the roof taken care of and get an oil change and everything. Doing the alignment might be a little bit more difficult this time because screwed something up on this front driver's side. I think I just knocked it out far enough that it spread out that CV joint and it's just those gears grinding away. And so hopefully we just need a new CV joint on this side and that's all it is. Or a CV axle on this side. And that's all it is. And everything will go back into alignment and just need to replace that. Two-wheel drive works perfectly fine, but yeah, as of right now we have a two-wheel drive Bronco. That's going to go ahead and wrap it up for today's video. We'll let you know what happened once we get it in and find out what exactly is going on with the front end here and see what the damages actually are and if we can get parts and get it fixed or what. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that thumbs up button. It helps a lot. And I might need all the help I can get with this video. But if you'd like to see more videos like this in the future, hit that subscribe button and I will see you next time.